So good morning students. We are studying the subject Renewable Energy Technology, that is ME604C, and we are currently studying 5th unit of this subject. This unit has three important chapters: geothermal energy, fuel cell and hydrogen. We have already completed geothermal energy and fuel cells. That's why in today's lecture I am starting with hydrogen. In this lecture I will give you a brief introduction about hydrogen and why it is suitable for renewable energy generation and what is hydrogen economy. So let us start with hydrogen. You have already studied from the school what is hydrogen. It is a gas having chemicals formula as H2. Its atomic weight is 2.0116 and it is having the lightest atom with one proton and one electron only. It is odorless, colorless and non-toxic also. So this is the brief introduction about hydrogen and why it is suitable for renewable energy. The two important parameters which makes hydrogen important for renewable energy source is its highest energy content. The energy content in hydrogen is highest if we compare all renewable energy sources or all other fossil fuel sources. Then energy content of hydrogen is 142 kilojoule per kg, whereas in case of gasoline or petrol it is just 48 kilojoule per kg. In case of coal it is 29.5 kilojoule per kg, and for board or cow dung it is just 15 kilojoule per kg. It means that 1 kg of hydrogen is burned or combustion of 1 kg of hydrogen takes place, then it releases 140 kilojoule amount of energy. So this is almost 3 times more than petrol or gasoline, almost 5 times more than coal, and almost 10 times more than wood or cow dung. That means hydrogen has highest amount of energy content. Number 2, the second important parameter which makes hydrogen most suitable for energy generation is that it is a clean energy. The only product of combustion of hydrogen is H2O. That means when combustion of hydrogen takes place with oxygen, then only product of combustion is H2O, that means water, and that is environmental friendly. Even if this hydrogen burns with atmospheric air, then a small amount of NOx, nitrogen oxide, is also present. But the product of combustion does not contain carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide and any unburned hydrocarbon in case of hydrocarbon gases. So these two important parameters, energy content and the clean energy, that means product of combustion, makes hydrogen most suitable for renewable energy source. If we talk about applications of hydrogen, then hydrogen currently is being utilized in many industries for chemical applications. It can be utilized in home applications also for heating of the home and for cooking purpose also. When mixed with natural gas, the hydrogen can be used for power generation in gas turbines also. That means this application has been tested by the industry. It can be used in energy generation and fuel cell also. We have just studied fuel cells. So the two important reactants of fuel cells are hydrogen or hydrogen rich gas and oxygen. That means hydrogen is necessary for the energy generation in fuel cells. So hydrogen is also used in case of in fuel cells also. And some prototypes have been developed, like cars or buses have been developed which run on hydrogen only. So these are some of the important applications of the hydrogen. That means it can be used in homes for home heating or cooking purpose also. It can be used in industry for chemical action, and it is also used for power generation. It is used in fuel cells also, and there are certain automobiles which are entirely on hydrogen only. So this is brief introduction about hydrogen and why it is suited for renewable as a source of renewable energy source. Now we come to hydrogen economy. What is the meaning of economy? Everybody understand what is economy of India, what is world economy, and we have learned one word also, which is oil economy. Currently the economy of the world is driven by oil. Oil means fossil fuels like coal, petroleum products, gas, natural gases and other gases also. So current world economy is driven by oil also. Since the sources of fossil fuels are depleting at very highest phase, and it is expected that within 500 years no fossil fuels will be available for as a source of energy. That's why scientists are considering hydrogen as alternate sources of energy because of two reasons: because of highest energy content and because of the clean energy. That means product of hydrogen are environmental friendly. Apart from that, hydrogen is available in gaseous form, liquid form, and it can be made available in solid state also. That means interstitial hydrides also. As I have already explained that product of combustion of hydrogen does not have carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, SO2, and unburned hydrocarbon. So because of these reasons, if hydrogen is used for energy generation, then it can prove a very good source of energy, and it is environment friendly also. The only thing which makes the challenges or disadvantages of hydrogen are that hydrogen does not found in nature in free form like other fossil fuels, though it is available in form of water when it is since it is mixed with oxygen. So the problem lies separation of hydrogen from water, and if it is possible or economically viable, then it is going to prove the largest source of energy. Production of hydrogen from water is very costly. The only available process from releasing of hydrogen from water is electrolysis. आगे ठीक है. So hydrogen is having lightest atom, and that's why it has a great tendency to escape from small openings. That chances of leakage of hydrogen are higher, and it has low ignition energy. That means to ignite the hydrogen, it requires very less amount of energy. So because of these some reasons, since it is not found in nature in free form, production of hydrogen is very costly. Chances of escape or leakage are very higher, and because of low ignition temperature, it can be ignited with a very big spark. So these are some of the challenges for industry or scientists to overcome. So this is all about hydrogen and hydrogen economy. Thank you very much.